Hello, hello, welcome to a beautiful Sunday stroll on our sacred Sunday. Having given a wonderful meditation, we have sacred silence on Sunday, and I thought I'd take you on a little stroll around the grounds of the Airbnb that we have been staying in. It is absolutely gorgeous. We are in a place called Thurston, which is sort of East Anglia, England way. We're celebrating Liz's cousin's wedding yesterday. This place is absolutely breathtakingly exquisite, and it really is. I've just spent quite some time just being in the garden myself, and then Liz suggested, why don't you do a Sunday stroll? So I can't pretend to know the names of all of these gorgeous flowers, and it is a bit windy, so I hope these earbuds will help you hear what I'm sharing, but I'll just take it in. Honestly, it is so peaceful here, and the grounds are mammoth. That's the beautiful big house, and they have also wonderful greenhouse and orchard. Whoops, this amazing lake. They've made a little beach for themselves. I'll take you around. Come and join me. So this is the beautiful home, and we've just been staying in one little part of it, but come and take a look at these flowers. Look at the size of these thistles. I don't know whether you can really gauge just how magnificent and big they are, but I am they're probably 2.5 meters tall. They're just stunning. And if I can zoom in to show you the lighting's changed. I'll come around the other side. We've been really blessed with the weather. You can see there's all of these wonderful flowers. The beds are clearly very well loved. Oh, loved these lovely soft fluffy grasses. Honestly, this is a full sense and savour experience. They're so soft. And of course they look magnificent as the breeze moves them. So obviously some plants are at a different stage. They've already bloomed. Some are coming into bloom, and some are in bloom. I mean, look at this dazzling silver. Bees have been enjoying these. Very, very spiky. You wouldn't want to fall on those. And they've got some wonderful, it's actually a sculpture. They've got some wonderful sculptures. So post poppy pod. Isn't this just the most divine garden ever? And you can feel the love and affection and commitment to making this garden so beautiful. And again, these are in a different stage of blooming, post-bloom, and yet they still look stunning in contrast to some of the most extraordinary bright colours. Love purple, as you know, just like Mary T. And then these wonderful bright orangey red, absolutely gorgeous flowers. And then another wonderful sculpture, reminds me of Chihuly. Chihuly, am I saying that right? That wonderful artist that works in glass. And you can look in the distance, this is all their land, and they've kept it wild and then trimmed some of the grass, and it just feels so lovely and nurtured. So if you've had an intense week, you can just breathe deeply as you enjoy these flowers. Now, as you know, I love poppies, and I was fortunate to have my giant poppies bloom before we left our home. But this is a beautiful reminder. I did find some Californian poppies earlier. They're not in this bed, I don't think. Now these look like some sort of miniature orchid of some sort. They're just absolutely gorgeous. And they've got this lovely... Let me see if I can find my hand. Here we are. Look at that. How does nature do it? So I'm just enjoying the breath, taking my time, soaking up the beauty. Look at these gorgeous grasses. So there's lots of contrasts here. Of course, it is quite windy today. They always look so pretty moving in the wind. There's just so many. Look at these. There's some lilies, and I don't know the name of these blue ones. Bluey purple. Look at those. They're so magnificent. And contrasting with the bright red lilies. And the bees are having a lovely time. Look at all those different blues and purples and pinks and oranges. Look at these. I wonder if they're part of the gerbera family. They've got really big heads. Obviously they're coming into completion. You can see some petals are more full than others. Look how big these heads are. They're amazing. And again, wonderful opportunity to experience the texture. Oh, just gorgeous. These are some sort of bottle brush, I think. Ah. It's just absolutely gorgeous. I've seen lots of bees and butterflies. And again, these are coming into completion of their life this summer. This one's still quite full, and the rest are changing. The transience of life and of nature, reminding us that everything is always moving, evolving, growing. And of course, if we're not growing, we're stagnating. So if you find yourself resisting, as I do occasionally, then just remember this evolution is better, healthier, even if it feels scary, than stagnation. Aren't they gorgeous? So it's not too windy for you. These very delicate ones. All dancing in the breeze. And of course, the change in height. I love that the eye wants to travel up and down and up and down and up and down with all these different plants. Now, before we go, let's just head to, as you know, I love a bit of water. My inner mermaid was satiated yesterday morning as I had a little plunge. It's very lovely. I love that they've created their own little beach. Again, perfect for sense and savour. Got the soft grass, and then we've got some real pebbles. Let's have a sound. One of my favourite sounds in the world. Just love it. And then the soft sand. They've even got some pretty shells. A little bench. And then this wonderful, exquisite little lake. It's very deep. It's 2 meters deep in the middle. Isn't it gorgeous? There's the orchards. Some lovely lush apples on this side. Just see the red of the apples there. And there's some plums growing on the other side. And I did see a little bunny rabbit earlier, who I startled. Don't think Bunny was expecting anyone to be wandering. So my friends, I hope you've enjoyed being in Thurston with me. I'll leave you with this gorgeous lake. Maybe you can see the gentle ripples on the water. Clouds have come in now. Nature really is such a gift. And although you can't smell and feel and taste and touch the experience I've shared with you, I hope it has brought you a little sense of peace and relief, maybe even joy and delight and appreciation for the majesty of nature and the gift it is for us, that we can rest a while in a haven like this, whether it's a park or a beach or a mountain top in a woodland. We can pause and be still and be gently moved by the breeze. Look at those fabulous clouds. Go well, my friends. Take great care of yourself, and in so doing, you can take care of your loved ones. Go gently.